Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? It's your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Tech, coming back at you, and you with another unboxing video. And today, guys, I got this puppy right here. This is the REIKIYA AI glass charging dock for the Ray-Bans Gen 1 and Gen 2. I'll let you know the other ones also when we get into the details. This right here will cost you $25.99. REIKIYA reached out to me and said, hey, would you like to do unboxing and a review of our charging dock? I said, send it. And they did. And so that's why I have this puppy in my hand right now. So I want to thank REIKIYA for reaching out for me. And we're going to do unboxing and give this puppy a review. Yo, before we get to the eagle eye view, let's go ahead. Let me give you some of the details on this. This is REIKIYA charging stand for Ray-Ban smart glasses, portable charging dock for Wayfarer, headliners, scholars, with a 3.3-foot USB-C cable, charging for Meta glasses, Ray-Ban Meta accessories. Okay, so let's see if any other things more. Okay, compatibility, specially designed for charging stand for Ray-Ban Meta Smart Glasses Gen 1 and Gen 2, including Wayfarer, headliner, scholar models included. Okay, it has app sync, monitor the charging status of your Ray-Bans smart glass in real time on your phone. A perfect Meta glass accessory, smart, safe charging, built-in safety chip with over voltage heating and short circuit protection for worry-free charging for your Ray-Ban smart glasses. Nice, desk-friendly design. Also, the LED indicator shows status, convenient for desks and bedside use. Premium construction, high quality materials with refined finish and non-slip surface for stable, scratch-free placement. All right, guys, so that's about it. Again, this will cost you $25.99. Actually, the regular price is $29.99. But if you use, click on the link, you'll be able to get the $25.99. You got 13% off right now. So, guys, without further ado, let's get to the eagle eye view. Hey guys, before we get into the eagle eye view, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'm going to say that one more time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Listen to me. The YouTube algorithm gods love it when you give me some thumbs up and you share it to other people, because that means it's saying that people are interested in it and it'll push the video out further. So please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Right, everybody, this is how it looks. This is shows you everything that you can use with it. This is how the box look. All right, so let's go ahead and open. I don't need an unboxing knife today. All right, okay. Nothing there. See? Okay, we do got something in here. Okay, we have the this is the these are the USB. Let's see what kind of USB they got. All right, okay, that's pretty good. Pretty thick. So you got USB-C to USB-C. We will be using this to charge up the device. Oh, there we go. I mean the glasses. So here we go. Okay, we got that out the way. All right, let's get to the main deal. So we have, is that on the back? So this is pretty good, nice, guys. This is kind of heavy. Well, not heavy, but it's got some weight to it. So it ain't plasticky. It's got some weight to it. At least this part is not. Got the rubber stuff around it. So that's pretty good. All right, so, and then we have, this is something supposed to go with it. I don't think so, but let me see. Well, it has the sticky stuff on it. So this can go under here to stick somewhere so it won't come off. So, but hey, I'm not going to use that. All right, this is the booklet, guys. All right, so this is everything. So you have this right here. Let me turn this off, take that off. So right there you have the LED light right there to let you know the status light right here. You have the 2 prongs right there. You have this right here. Now I don't know, this is kind of, you can push this in, so we'll see what that's about. But there you go, guys. So that's how it looks. Nothing else to do that. So, and this goes right here. All right. And you have to make sure that clicks in. All right. So don't do it like that. You have to make sure it clicks in. That's how it looks. So guys, let me go ahead and get the glasses and let's charge them up and see how it does. All right, let's get to it. So like I said, make sure you hit that click. So what we're gonna do before we get to this right here, just gonna, as you can see, it's on. So let's see. Did it come? Okay, so it's on. So we're gonna go ahead. Now I made sure I killed these. These are the Gen 1s. I made sure I killed them. So hold on, you put them in. And there you go. Now that blinking means it is charging up. So that's pretty good. So that's what the squishy thing is for, because when you hit it, it goes down and it sits there pretty good. And as you can see, it is charging it up. All right, I like that. And you can see right here, it's charging. So it's letting you know it's charging up. So that's pretty good, guys. So, okay, we got that going on. That's good. So what we're going to do, we're going to put this on. Fast charging, boom. And there you go. It is charging up. So I like that. Now I'm going to tell you something, guys. I like the case, but I don't like the case. And that's because it takes you forever to get out the case. You have to hit it up here. But this, I could just go ahead and take it off, put it back in, put it on my desk. That means I don't need to have the case to charge it up, because my biggest with Gen 1s, I don't know how Gen 2 is, you don't have no other way to charge it but that case. I wish they would have had, even if it's proprietary charging thing, something on the arms you could stick on, charge it, take off, be better. But I like that. All right, guys, so you can see that's working there. So what we're going to do, we're going to move this out of the way. And for some of us, we might put this on our table, grab something like this. We're going to go ahead. This is a 65 watt. Yeah, there you go. And it shows you 5 watt charge. All right, so that's pretty good. That is pretty good. So why don't we do this real quick? We're going to take this off of here. And say if you lose it, say if you didn't even have this wire here. You didn't have it, okay? So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and put this right here and make sure, see if that can help. So say if you just didn't have the wire and you had something like this, and guess what? It is charging. So I like that. So it's charging. So I do like that, guys. So, and it stays there. Turn it upside down. Doesn't come off. Now, I wouldn't shake it vigorously, but it still holds. And there you go. So, hey, I'm going to let it charge up a little bit. And what we're going to do, we're going to get back to the regular view, give you my final thoughts, and giving this puppy a grade. Yo, I'm back to give the REIKIYA Ray-Ban AI glass and charging docks, give it a grade in my final thoughts. And guys, I really do like this. I really do like it. Now, I'm going to tell you something before I get a grade, that I put this on the dock for 20 minutes. It was already at 13%. In about 20 minutes, because I watched the video for about 20 minutes, it charged it up to about 65%. Well, no, 60%. So that lets you know that, the Ray-Bans don't have an overwhelmingly lot of battery. It does okay, but let you know it works. I even took a picture with it, folded it, put it on here, and it just transferred the picture over to the app like it's supposed to. So it works, guys. I do like the way it's designed. I do like the way it just sits up here. Like I said, I wouldn't shake it vigorously, but you can hold it upside down. Doesn't come out. And that this metal is designed designed very well. Not pretty well, but very well. I do like it. And it worked right out the box like it's supposed to. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and give it an A. This is a must-have. This is a stocking stuffer. At $25.99, I think that's a good price. Even at $29.99 on regular price, I think that's a good price for something like this. Like I said, I don't like the case because, first of all, it's hard to get them out. And second of all, there's no other way to charge it but this if you only got this. If you have this, this is the only way you can charge it. But now I got the stand. I can leave it on my desk. I can leave this in the living room, have this in here. Normally, I would have to go in there and get it, bring it in here so I can charge it. But I can leave this on my desk, and I don't have to worry about it. This will stay in the living room or wherever I put it at. And I don't have to search for it because I can still charge it up using the AI charging, the AI glasses charging dock. So guys, I give it an A, guys. Look, if you need something like this or you want to give somebody like this for a gift, I'm gonna put the link in below. Hit that link. It'll sit you right to the page where you can buy it from. All right. Before we leave, do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. The more you like, the more you share, and the more you subscribe, the deeper in the YouTube algorithm we go, and more people get to see us on this side of the vineyard. All right, guys? Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer. Let's try that one more time. 2, 3. Hey, guys, before we go, please do me a favor. Please like, share, and subscribe. Again, I say please like, share, and subscribe. If you know somebody that's looking for something like this, please, hey, share this with them. So take a look at the video and make a purchasing decision. Because this is Stocking Stuffer approved, guys. Before we go, do me a favor. Please hit the notification icon bell or button, wherever it is on your screen, so you can be notified anytime we drop a brand new video. Yet again, this is your boy, the Ghetographer, aka Pastor Ted. Thanking you for rocking out with me on another unboxing video, guys. These are Stocking Stuffer approved. Go get you a pair. They're worth every penny. You have a good day. Peace.